Hi guys, and welcome back to another design. Today we are doing a pinkish nude kind of a combo. So I'm using Glaze Note 2 Selfie. It's a really nice nude, but I just really don't know how to do a first coat only. So I went in with 3 coats. I just forgot to film the third coat. And here I'm using Kale Polished Mia. It's a beautiful neon pink with a kind of bluish undertone. I'm putting that on my pinky and my ring finger, and I'm doing 2 coats. Next I'm using top coat by Essie called Call It Even, and I'm putting that on my pointer, middle, and ring fingers. And now I'm going to cover my ring finger with this glitter that I made myself from combination of Amazon Junky and fine glitters, and just covered the whole ring finger and then tapped off any excess glitter that I had on my finger. And here I'm using a stamping plate from BornPretty called L006 and a stamping polish from Clear Jelly Jumper number 34. It's a beautiful jade. Here I'm doing a combo. This got a little bit messed up, so it just kind of bleeded into the striping tape. So when you see me pull it off, I'm just pretty much going to cover it a little bit later, make my mistakes. Unfortunately, I did it a little bit more off camera than on the camera, so yeah, I'm still getting used to filming, so I hope you don't mind. But I'll get better, hopefully. Probably. We'll see. And here's me just fixing some of my mistakes. And this is the pointer finger. Did a little bit opposite kind of a striping tape method. Here, it kind of turned out a little better than it did in the middle finger, so at least that lucked out. It just had a little bit of smudging, but I got that off with a little bit of acetone. And then I decided to add pearls, which I got today. I was very excited. Got them from Amazon. It was included in a crystal pack. So yeah, here's just putting them where I liked it. When I went off camera, I kind of just did my middle finger off camera pretty much. I kind of forgot to film that part. And finally, I'm just covering my ring finger with top coat so it's less scratchy when you touch it and more smooth. And here's my final look. So hopefully you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!